Hello everyone, welcome to Xboom. So today we are going to unbox this Unitree R1 ultralight humanoid robot. Come on, let's unbox this. Okay, now let's unbox this. Now finally, here's the, I can see that there is a user manual. It will contain all the guidelines for the R1 robot. This is the stand, and let's dive deep into it. Okay, so as I can see, this is the rod which will be mounted on the stand, some like this, I guess. And here we have the remote controller. I think we can mount our phone here so that we can operate it properly through our phone also. Then we have the charger of that R1 robot. We have few cables also. I can find two cables here. This will be attached to the charger like this, and this is a USB which will be connected to other devices. We also have an adapter for Indian sockets. And now the main part, that is the legs of the robot. It's very compact and sleek in design. Okay, so here's the R1 robot. This is the body of the R1 robot. The color is quite impressive. As you can see, it is very sleek in design, compact, and it's absolutely amazing. Now we have this remote controller which is used to operate this R1 robot. This remote controller contains all the function to move the R1 in the front direction as well as in the backwards direction. Let's try this with the help of this RC. Now the R1 is moving in the front direction. Let's try moving it backwards. It can turn to all directions, as you can see here. This remote controller also contains all the instructions which might help you for running this R1 robot. The R1 robot also have some gestures. He's bidding you goodbye. He's welcoming you. He's clapping for you. Now, to mount this R1 robot, I need some help. This is how we need to hang this R1 robot on the stand. Want the R1 for yourself? Contact Xboom to inquire and subscribe for what's next in robotics.